Copper CRM, designed to integrate seamlessly with Google Workspace, helps businesses manage contacts, track deals, and streamline workflows. Here's a beginner's guide to using Copper CRM effectively. Set up an integrated Google Workspace. Log into Copper and connect it to your Google Workspace account. This integration allows you to manage CRM tasks directly from Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, simplifying data entry and task management. Add contacts and companies. Begin by importing or manually adding contacts and companies. Copper automatically links email conversations and meetings with contacts, making it easy to track interactions. You can also categorize contacts into segments, such as leads or customers. Manage leads and opportunities. Leads represent new prospects. Move them through the sales funnel by creating opportunities. Use pipelines to visually track each stage of the sales process, from initial contact to deal closure. Copper's pipeline management helps you prioritize and focus on high-potential deals. Automate workflows and tasks. Use Copper's automation features to set up recurring tasks, such as follow-ups or reminders. Automation saves time and ensures consistency across all sales activities. Monitor performance with insights. Access dashboards and reports to track sales metrics, pipeline status, and team performance. These insights allow you to make data-driven decisions and optimize processes.